Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Glad that you guys are here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Thanks for joining. We're in a trade currently. Good morning, guys. Welcome, welcome. Couple big news items. We do have news at 10. We also had news at 8:30 a.m. and I hope you guys were aware of that. If you guys are in the Discord, I reminded everyone there. And hopefully you guys join the Discord if you haven't already. But currently we're in this trade. It's basically a big mama trade here. And we are looking to get a couple more points here on this runner. But pandas, big news. Big news. Santa hat, should I put it on? I guess I could. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. We're in the middle of a trade here right now. And for a short while, we're back at a 2,000 tick chart. As long as we're above the 20 EMA here, I'm pretty happy. While this does this, let me go over what happened yesterday. I don't know if you guys watched it, but I had to extend a stream, and I basically just had a stop loss down here. And I scaled in a bunch of times, and my ultimate stop loss was down here. And I said on a Discord, if it reverses from here after taking me out by the tick, I was gonna admit myself to the mental hospital. So now I'm trading live at a mental hospital because literally the moment it took me out, it reversed, coming back to my break even, which is this blue line when I had this big trade, and plus way more. And I mentioned this is why I kept scaling in, because with the price action that we had, I felt like we're gonna have a trading range day. Just unfortunately, it just had to hold it way longer, way bigger than I thought I had to. And you know, the professional traders, they had their stop loss down here, the correct stop loss. And you know, the strong bulls just bought up this bear bar, saying, okay, that's enough. We're gonna buy, because we know this is trading range. We're gonna buy here, knowing we're at the bottom, some sort of trading range. And you can see the trading range on the trading range indicator here, marking up here and here. This is why I kept buying down here as well. And unfortunately, did not have a big enough stop loss. Should have made it a little bit. I should have just held it down here, to be honest. But it is what it is. And it finally does a trading range thing I thought I was going to do. Just way later. And it had to take me out perfectly before this. So, you know, it's legitimately the most frustrating thing ever. But pandas, we are back. We're back positive on our first account there, and we're still in a trade. The other accounts are suffering, but we'll slowly trade them back up. Right now, we are basically in this trade, and we're gonna let this one through. Finish this one through. Market's about to open in 10 minutes. Hopefully, we get a nice little push up here. It went completely sideways. Nice little second entry long here, though. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is consolidating here. I think this has more room to go up. A lot more room to go up, to be honest. Main reason being daily chart, strong bull bar ending on its high, strong uptrend. I'll probably come back up to retest the highs here. GC Burke, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Big news, pandas. Make sure you guys comment on the comment video. Let me pull it up real quick. Check out the pinned message. All right, all right, all right. Give me a second here. If you guys want this so badly. All right, Merry Christmas. Jeez Louise. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Wo 7, good morning. Hugh, good morning. I'm just ready. I just want this to trigger. Basically, this is a big mama trade. These are E-minis, by the way. I gotta figure out something to prevent this happening again. I mean, the two bear bars. I should have gotten out here. Take the hit. Jeez. Literally takes me out by the tick and reverses all the way back up. That was insane. Actually insane. All right, second entry long triggers finally. Market about to open in 6 minutes. We do have news at 10. Pandas. I don't think it's gonna be big news, but it's news. right. I guess we're gonna hold this into the open. Let's see here. All right. Whoa, Blacklight Gypsy. $20 Canadian. That's like $5 USD at this point. Happy holidays, everyone. Buy My Money and Company. You have all contributed to helping me become a more stable and consistent trader. The community, the laughs, education, the support. I'm so grateful for it all. Let's go, baby. Hey, I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Ho, ho, ho. I really appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, just hearing things like that makes streaming every single day worth it. I appreciate that. Mawashi, welcome. Trap about a trigger here, but we're still above the 20 MA. It's getting absolutely choppy here. It is like Christmas Eve observed, so it may be chill. It may be really chill today. We'll see. I'd love to see this just float up all day today because of that. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Make sure you scalp that like button. A little light today. Jeez. Everyone's sleeping. The views. A little light today. It's all good, though. It's all good. Finally getting this push up we've been looking for a while now. Hopefully it doesn't create this micro triple top here. Hard time breaking through this level. Mike G, welcome. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. This is gonna be Monday. This will be the last time we'll be streaming before Christmas, so hope everyone has amazing holidays. Let me know if you have any Christmas traditions. Vegas Futures, welcome back. Good morning, pandas. Happy camper. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Welcome. Trap about a trigger here, unfortunately. I hope I just don't get stopped out. That's all I care about. I hope we get pushed up before I get stopped out. All right, market just opened. Hopefully this will be enough to get us a little push up here. OI pattern on the 10K chart. Okay, kind of OI pattern on the 2K chart. OII pattern, actually. Let's break to the upside. Or not. This is wild. This is why the 2K chart is trash. Look at this. Look at this chart right now. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars overlapping on the 2K chart. Silly. It's just so silly. Get break to the upside. Probably might get our push up here. I've been looking for like 30 minutes. Okay. Okay. Decent bull bar. Little push up. All right, out of this trade. Up 1950 on this. Whew. Up 1950. I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. I'll take it. Probably could have held it for longer. Jeez. I know. I had a bad day yesterday. But we're currently up 2,170. We're almost to payouts, actually, on this account. Almost to payouts. Absolutely incredible. Wayne Bignell. Merry Christmas. Base Futures, my Christmas. Tradition is 40 point scalp, 20 contracts. Let's go. Black Guy, we start Christmas dinner. When we first start show on Christmas Eve, we also open presents on Christmas Eve, but Santa doesn't show to bring presents until after we sing Christmas carols. Nice. Wow, you guys have pretty like traditional. It's pretty nice. What happened to micros? I saw Big Mama. That was a trade. This was a Big Mama trade, so I took it with E-minis. Basically, the only trade I'm really taking are Big Mamas with good setups, right? This was a good setup for Big Mama. Got a nice push down, and the volatility comes back up with the news. That's basically what helped me enter this trade. Could have got a couple more points here. Jeez. All right. I'm strong bull bar. Kind of came out, but I'm happy with my 10. I'm happy with my 10. Basically 10 points here. A little more than that. I'll take it. Let's just find another entry here, pandas. Look at the daily chart is why I felt like that Big Mama was going to be a good one. Hansman, welcome. Patrick R. What's the difference between eval account and PA? It's a pretty big difference. Eval accounts are accounts so you can get PAs. The eval is there so you can pass it. And once you pass the eval, you get a PA account. The thing about evals is that you can't get money from evals. But PAs, once you get funded, they're funded accounts, so you basically get paid out for them. Vegas Future started a YouTube channel because of you. Almost 100 subs now. Thanks, Panda, for the inspiration. Appreciate that, but I gotta delete that. I'm sorry, but congratulations. Nothing personal. Again, I honestly, hey, I encourage anybody who wants to start streaming to start streaming. Congratulations, by the way. You know, it's nothing personal, but I gotta remove it just because of precedence. But I encourage anyone who wants to start streaming to start streaming. I believe all boats rise with the tide. So if we get good streamers out there putting out some good content, then the exposure for futures trading increases, prop firms increases, and you know, then we get this nice little ecosystem here. We want the futures trade to no longer be niche. We want it to be mainstream. Kellyanne, good morning. Which is funny because actually futures trading is probably the most liquid market in the world. It's just people don't really trade it, right? Regular people don't trade it. They trade stocks, meme stocks, right? It's not really mainstream. Some of the rock is inside bar. Right now, inside bar developing. We have to wait till it finishes though to really know if it's an inside bar. And we're very far away from the 20 EMA at this point. This is still unbelievable to me. I put in the Discord I was gonna admit myself to the mental hospital if it reverses after takes me out, and it reverses completely, and so I'm trading live at a mental hospital right now. It literally takes me out before it just does the ultimate reversal here. It's absolutely incredible. Sometimes you gotta feel like the market's watching you, and things like that makes you feel that way. Like Jerome Powell, he's like watching my stream, and he's like, "All right, this is the time we gotta reverse this." Moashi says BBM90 code got me 80% off evals. Nice. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, it's an exclusive code right now, so hopefully you guys take advantage of it while you still can. It will end on the 27th. By the way, pandas, look at the pinned message. Make sure you guys comment on the comment video. You guys cannot enter the giveaways unless you comment on that video. So please make sure you guys comment on it, and you enter the giveaways. And the giveaways are gonna be nice. We're gonna have something nice for you guys. Trust me, it's gonna be really nice for you guys. Second entry long on the 2000 tick chart, but 2000 tick chart is absolute trash, so we're not gonna even pay attention to that. Rough grunts, very green this morning, yeah. Very green. I mean, I got hit yesterday pretty hard, so, but this makes up for it plus more. We're almost at payouts actually now. We're about 400 away from payouts, at least on one of the accounts. The other three are struggling.
10,000 tick trap.
I just want to buy here. Are we always in long trading right now? I just want to buy everything. Jeez. Bill 7, Merry Christmas, pandas. Will 7 says short again, 40-10, tight stop. Okay, switching to sim. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't go short here just because it's so bullish. Hard to go short here. Even if you have levels, you got to have some sort of confirmation that you're bouncing off the levels. It's just too hard. Too hard to do that, in my opinion. Always in long trading, maybe. We're so far away from the 20 EMA. Jeez. We have news at 10 o'clock as well. News at 10 revised U of M, but it's not going to be big news, I don't think. I don't think it's going to do much, to be honest. Yep, next week, no news. And it's a new year. Can you believe it, pandas? Rockers, can you post a link to your comment video? If you look at the pinned message, there is a link there. What a push up here. It is always in long trading by the close, basically. Absolutely incredible. Happy cameras, you think Apex wouldn't mind the 30% consistency rule? Oh, they might. I mean, I had $1,000 day. This is a $2,000 day. Um, if they say something about it, then it is what it is. But we'll see. As far as I can tell, this is super bullish. But man, it's like if you want to buy here, you better just be scalping. It's so far away from 20 MA. At any point, it can just come back down to it. As far as I know, this is very bullish. I can't believe that happened. Still can't believe that happened. Jeez. All right, looking towards the future. Happened to happen. I got, the thing is, I should have prevented myself from even being in that trade for that long. I should have gotten out here after 2 strong bear bars. Just got out here. You could tell that's where they reversed it and became always in short traders, as long as they're beneath the 20 MA. And so, yeah. And then the bears got trapped here after the strong bear bar. I gotta prevent myself from even being in that situation. I was in a really bad situation. The day I decided to start trading 2 contracts, I wanted to trade 2 contracts because I wanted to start scaling up a little bit. And that day just happens to be like this day where it just does this crazy trading range. I knew it was gonna be a trading range because of the trading range indicator, right? I kept buying here even near the bottom of the trading range indicator. And it comes all the way back to the top of the trading range indicator. This red line, this green line here. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Do I want to buy here? I don't. I really don't. It's a gap up right now. I will need like a double bottom of some sort, I think, to really feel confident to start buying. But geez, this looks really bullish, like super bullish. Wowzers. Jamie, is Apex going to do 90% off again soon? I don't know, but right now you got BBM 90 for 80% off. They did warn everybody. To be fair, they did warn everybody and said that they were not going to do a 90% off code for a long time. So I don't know. I mean, it's to be fair, they warned everyone. I don't know. Can I buy here, pandas? Can I just buy here without any concern that this is gonna like have a deep pullback? Yikes. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. If you're gonna buy here, you have to scalp and scale in. Okay. Just watching. I don't think I'm gonna participate here. One reason is I'm up 1950 already, so I don't know. I feel like I'm doing fine, doing fine, just fine today. Like I said, trade the other three, leave this one alone. Not a bad idea actually. This is really hard to want to enter right here. Jeez, but people are entering. It's crazy. They do not care. We basically made up this big down move. We made it up in 2 days. Incredible. Just 4 bull bars in a row. I don't know, pandas. What do I do? I guess I sit on my paws. I really can't find myself buying here. But that's currently the only thing you can do. I don't think you can sell up here. Al Brooks would say, you will be dumb to do so. That's what Al Brooks said. I watched one of his videos. He basically was explaining, you know, you gotta buy here because if you go short here, you're dumb. He said something like that. Wayne Bennett says, was the 1950 win on a PA impacting consistency requirements? It is. I mean, these are all PA counts, pandas. You know, these are all PA counts. We're trading only PA counts here. Um, bull bar, 4 bull bars in a row. Consistency rule could be affected, but we'll see. By the close. It's literally by the close. People do not care how extended we are. They said, the moment this bar closed, we buy. You can see a small little tail here. People bought the close. So you can see that the bulls are really eager to jump in this uptrend. They don't care how high it is. They simply do not care. I wish I could not care like that. If consistency rule affects me, then don't worry, pandas. I'll let you guys know. I'll let you know. Blacklight Gypsy with another super chat. Hey, you're too kind. Happy holidays, everyone. I've been a part of 5 payout cycles since becoming a panda. When I had 0 before, so excited for this upcoming new year. We're all going to kill it. Let's go, baby. Blacklight, I appreciate it. Too kind. But also, you're welcome. If it wasn't for this community, those payouts. Nah, congratulations, though. That's amazing. 5 cycles. That's amazing. Also, pandas, make sure you guys check out the comment video in the pinned message. There's a pinned message right now. Make sure you watch that video and comment on it if you want to enter into the giveaways for the 20K special stream, which will be next week, Wednesday. And you basically have a couple days to comment on it, and it's going to be big. I'm telling you, you're going to want some of these prizes. It's going to be real nice. And honestly, it's just a way I can say thank you to all you guys. I don't have to do this, but honestly, it's just a way I can say thanks because I know you guys have supported me for so much and for so long. So it's just a little way, a little bit I can give back to you guys. So hope you guys partake. Look at this, always in long trading right now. It's absolutely incredible. I mean, I could have just bought there. Your stop loss would have to be huge, but yeah. You're thinking at this point any pullback will be small. Is one of the giveaways the whiskey? That's gonna be much better than that. Okay. Hmm. People still buying, right? They bought the clothes here as well. They didn't care. They didn't care that this candle looks like a complete hammer. Inverted hammer. They said, we don't care. We're going to buy the clothes. And that's exactly what they did. They do not care right now. Jeez. I'm going to pull back here before I go long. I feel like this is going to be, this is just going to keep going up here. For sure. You typically want to look for like a double bottom of some sort. Mike G says 5 minutes till news. Yep, it's news, but most likely not gonna do much. I could be wrong, but it's very obscure news to me. It's not even it's what it is. It's a revised U of M consumer sentiment. So there's a consumer sentiment, and then there's a revised one. Okay, finally pushing down here, getting a little slight pullback here. At this point, you think any pullback will be small. How strong this move is. I want like some sort of double bottom, wedge bottom, some sort of bounce off support if I enter in long. But I am looking to go in long sometime. So this is the revised U of M, yeah. The revised. That means it's not even the U of M, it's the revised version. So that means it already came out and they're just revising the numbers, which I don't think anyone's gonna really care about. Just to be frank. Okay, getting a pullback here. Is it gonna be a deep pullback? I have no idea. I want to say no, but we got news. 30 seconds around. Well, so it says, Pan, I downloaded your horizontal ray. Is there a way to make a hotkey for it? Yep. I think you just make a hotkey for it. Same as you would do with any of the other hotkeys.
$10,000 tick trap.
Woo! News just dropped. Actually did move the markets a little bit there, as you can tell. Getting a second entry long, maybe on the 2000 tick chart, but it's beneath the 20 MA. 2000 tick chart, setting itself up for a failed second entry long here, in my opinion. Mo 7 tilt. Oh, don't do it. But at least you got the BBM 90 for 80% off and 1 day passing to get your PAs. It's nice. You need only one single day to trade to get your PAs, and you got a discount. Not too shabby. only here on this channel. Make sure you guys spread the word. Also, if you guys could share the giveaway, the comment video, share that with anyone, everyone you know. Please throw up on the forums.
10,000 tick trap.
It'll be something that everyone will want to be part of. Feels like entry long on the 2000 tick, perhaps triggering here. What am I gonna do here? I don't know. Feels like an entry long, 2000 tick. The only problem is it's coming off a really strong uptrend. There's no sign of exhaustion here. There's no sign of, I don't know. I just feel like it basically needs another leg up, I think. One more leg up here, which is what it's trying to do now. Okay. People buying at the low of 3, near the low of 3. That's where people are buying. Interesting. I mean, I felt like the pullback would be small, which it was, which it is. I just don't know how small. I was thinking making double bottom here, right? Something like this. Makes a double bottom here, hangs out here for a little bit, then comes off, and the 20 EMA would have caught up to it by then. That's what I was thinking. Okay. Should I just buy here? Thinking this is a pullback? Always in long trading? Dang, buy the close. People are definitely buying here. Buy the close. Always in long still. That was a pullback that they were waiting for, and they entered in long here. I was thinking about going long here too. Darn. Okay, people bought the close, scalped out 2 points, 2.5 points. Now it's reversing back down. Maybe make a second entry long here, which would be nice setup on the 5-minute. Geo, welcome, welcome. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Also, make sure you guys drop a GM in the chat. Please, please, please. Take advantage of BBM90 while it still lasts. For your sake. It's a nice little combo there. We're up currently 1950. Our first account, we're up $2,173. The other accounts are suffering. I'm not going to lie. They're definitely suffering. Okay, doji bar. Confusing. Creating a triangle on the smaller time frame. 2000 tick chart, triangle. Right? Triangle happens when you have a high, lower high and a higher low. 2000 tick chart. GC Bird BBN 90 is 80% off. Yep. They messed it up. Don't blame me, blame them. BBN 90 80% off. I was trying to get 90% off for you guys, but I'm not gonna lie, Apex was being very stingy. I mean, not stingy, because anything that they would give, it's, you know, is actually amazing, right? Like the fact that they'll just give this modest little channel with only 20k subs, you know, exclusive promo codes. You know, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice of them. But they're being stingy, relatively stingy compared to what they've done before. Getting pushed down here. Like I mentioned, triangle being formed on the 2000 tick. It's a triangle here. Black light. Upgrade to Super Panda. Oh, you didn't have to do that. Appreciate it. Enjoy access to the two-legged pullback Discord. There's your apple. Hmm. What to do? What to do?
$10,000 tick trap.
Oh, I appreciate that. Actually, yeah. I see a second entry long here. I'm interested. Definitely interested here. I hope it doesn't create an outside bar reversal. I don't like that.
$10,000 tick trap.
Doji bars everywhere, huh? Let's try, I guess. Pushing down. Could be a decent pullback here. Maybe back to the bottom here at the open. That'd be nice. Because now we're off of support. Basically, it'll be coming off the 20 EMA now. We'll just have to wait a bajillion years, though, for it. Starting to look like a limit order market starting to develop here. Selling near the top, buying near the bottom. Double bottom here, currently forming. If it reverses here, it's a double bottom. GC Burke just made a successful range trade. He's a big time now. In the big leagues. Ruben. Hey, have a Merry Christmas. Hopefully you'll at least join us for the 20K special. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you comment on the video as well. But if not, we'll see you next year. Right now, this is micros. We're back to micros. You're gonna go to the gym until next year. He's not leaving the gym for 2 weeks straight. He just wants to get super pumped. Zahari, welcome back. Young prodigy over here. All right, let's see if we get a nice little pop up here. He wants to destroy the market. Ruben wants to come back and he wants to be able to break the market in half with his bare hands. Just waiting. Second entry long, but this looks like it's starting to turn to a trading range big time. Double dojis in a row. Wicks and tails beneath and below. Above and below the candles. This is looking really
10,000
sus.
tick trap.
Just waiting a bajillion years for something to happen here. Kind of what was expected, I guess. Christmas Eve observed today. So a lot of people may be off. Markets should be closed on Christmas. If it looks like a range, smells like a range, feels like a range, then it's a range. Okay, in this trade. Going for a one-to-one. It's a second entry long. 5-minute chart. Super strong uptrend. Looking for one more push up here. It's an ugly looking signal bar. Also, the price action is starting to look a little rangy. This may not be the best trade to take. But pandas. We've been waiting here for a bajillion years. Let's get into something. Let's do it. It's an H2 setup, as Al Brooks would call it. Goes by many names. Two-legged pullback, second entries. Goes by many, many names. This here is a Pikachu trade. Looking for a 1-to-1. Simple as that. Okay, nice bull bar. Look, you're thinking follow through here. Hopefully we can get to our 1-to-1 target without much fuss. That'd be nice. Fail second entry short on the 2000 tick chart. Also about a trigger here, which is really nice. All right. Fail second entry short triggers on the 2000 tick. In the direction we want it to go, so it's nice. Currently not that much follow through on that bull bar. Is this a 1-to-1? Yeah, it's a 1-to-1. Is your 8% code valid because Apex website is showing 71% off? You gotta use BBM 90. Make sure you use BBM 90. If you use BBM 80, it might be 71% off. You guys do BBM 90. One to one here. See if we get it. I think we're gonna get it though. Doesn't it look like it's gonna pop up? Blacklight with another. He's halving it every single time. I appreciate it. Ho ho ho, pandas! I have been good this year. I've got a secret to share. I may be Santa to everyone else, but in real life, I'm Daryl Martin. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Mrs. Panda and I are gonna really enjoy our coffee today. I'll tell you that much. This looks like it wants to make a new high. It basically looks like a bull flag, right? Big push up, flags, and another push up. You're thinking it's gonna break this high. So I'm thinking at least. What's Mrs. Panda making for lunch? I'm thinking I'm gonna take her out. Get some soup. Get some soup to warm up the cockles. Okay, bull bar again. Let's see if we get some follow through here. Ooh, turn to doji. Yuck. Ooh, straight up doji. Yuck. Doesn't look good. He says, soup sounds good. I could use a big bowl of spicy beefy pho. Ooh, yeah, that sounds good. Just give me my push up. Give me my 1-to-1, please. Okay, we might get our propulsion block here. Might finally get our propulsion silver bullet block explosion. Just waiting patiently. Iron Crew says, speaking of my Vietnamese neighbor just bought an older Ferrari and he changed his license plate to Ferrari. Ferrari. Best plate ever. That is... That's funny, I guess. That's just funny. I don't even know what to say. Cool. That probably was his dream. Open a pho restaurant, save enough money so he can get a Ferrari, just so he can have a license plate that says Ferrari. His life is complete. He's done. His main quest is done.
10,000 tick trap.
Ooh, are we not gonna get our 1-to-1 here, pandas? That'd be a shame. Maybe double top here instead. Forming. Could reverse here big time. Alright, this is forming some sort of double top here. And you can tell maybe with this price action that this is starting to range more than maybe another push up. Which is why we might be coming down here, back down here again.
10,000 tick trap.
Yikes. Alright. Couldn't get our 1-to-1. If this is trading range, I should buy again down here, unfortunately. I don't know. Should I buy? Nah. I'll just take the hit and move on. Yeah, there were like clear signs that this was starting to turn to a range. Also, trading range indicator, also telling us there's a range. Maybe got a little too optimistic to get that 1-to-1. Yeah, definitely converting to range. You can tell by these dojis here. You gotta pay attention to the price action. Do I want to buy again somewhere around here? Maybe back to the 20 EMA I'll buy. I don't know. Okay, or just don't do anything. Just let this figure itself out. Hugh says, I like the license plate. L84ANL. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Jethro Clampett. I don't know who that is. Opened a restaurant so he could eat for free. Who's Jethro Clampett? Should I know this guy? Is that like common knowledge? Oh, I don't know who that is. Beverly Hillbillies. Ah. Wow. I think everyone who just answered that question shows their age. Everyone here is 40 and above if you know the answer to that. Blacklight. Oh my goodness. Blacklight. Hey, I appreciate it. Pandas, happy holidays. Stay safe. Please, please, please don't drink and drive. I wish you all the best. Cannot wait to absolutely crush the markets with you during the year of the panda. We're going to make panda history. Let's go, baby. We will. We will make panda history next year. We're going to have the most payouts ever. More than ever before. Jeez. Blacklight. Appreciate it. Man. I mean that's a nice Chipotle bowl. That's two Chipotle bowls right there. Coming back up. I could come out break even here, to be honest. Thinking we're trading range and just skunk the trade. Thinking that we probably won't really break out of this range and probably not hit my target here. Ooh, people coming out break even right there. Interesting. Luis says, got 8 up today, down $5. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let this candle finish. See how it looks like. It just feels like a trading range.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for this candle to finish. See what we get here. Inside bar. I'm not here. Alright, this is acting a little bit funky. Creating an outside bar here. Could have came up break even. No idea what's going on. I'm just waiting here. Waiting for this to resolve. It's looking bad. It's not looking good here. Come on. Get back to the range, top of the range here. Don't do that. Don't do that now. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. That's very bad. Okay, we're still in it. It's not over till it's over. I should buy more here, to be honest. I should have big stop. Big stop. Buy the 20 EMA. I mean, it makes sense for me to do that here. It makes so much sense to do that. Big stop. Buy the 20 EMA. One more time. It just makes so much sense to do that. Makes almost too much sense. Hmm. This is a forever trade. What is this? It's so obviously a trading range. I should buy low here. Ah. Oh well. It is what it is. Amazing. I'm still in this trade somehow. This is amazing. I don't know how it's possible. I haven't got stopped out yet. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope everyone has amazing holidays. And hope everyone had commented on the comment video. I won't be streaming again, of course, until after Christmas, since the market's closed on Christmas, and it's Monday. So, when I come back, we'll be back bright and early on Tuesday, and hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Seriously, amazing holiday. I hope you get to spend it with those whom you love, and yeah, I mean, we're not done with this trade yet, but I'm just saying, yeah, it's been really great. We're still in this trade. Who knows? Who knows, pandas? Yours truly may scale in here. This might be it. The final blow. I'm amazed I'm still in this trade though. It took so long. All right, Dennis. That's it. I'll see you guys bright and early Tuesday, and have an amazing weekend. Trade safe, everyone. As always, have a trading God bless. Bye.